Hi, this is Dr. Ben Finio with Science Buddies, and this video will demonstrate how you can add analog joystick control to our DIY mini drone project. Several previous videos in this series, which you can find linked in the description below this one, show you how to build a mini popsicle stick drone and how you can control its motion using an Arduino. For example, you can control its altitude using a knob called a potentiometer. You can also make it steer in different directions using buttons. However, real drone controllers, like this one, use analog joysticks to control the drone. These give you much finer control over the drone's motion. Luckily, you can purchase breadboard-compatible analog joysticks that you can interface with an Arduino, allowing you to give more intuitive controls to your DIY mini drone projects. Let's take a closer look at how one of these joysticks works. A 2-axis joystick actually contains two potentiometers, one for up and down motion, and one for left to right motion. When connected to a power supply like 5 volts from the Arduino, each potentiometer will output an analog voltage. We've set up 2 multimeters here to measure each one. We see that when the joystick is in the neutral position, each voltage is centered at about 2.5 volts. When I move the joystick up and down, one of the voltages changes between 0 and 5 volts, while the other voltage stays close to 2.5. When I move the joystick left to right, the opposite occurs. When I move the joystick in a circle, both voltages change at the same time. You can read the two voltages from the joystick using the analog inputs on the Arduino and use them to control your drone. For example, you can replace the 4 buttons in the steering control project with the joystick, which allows you to tilt the drone in any direction. You can also use the joystick to replace the potentiometer in the altitude control project, giving you more intuitive control over the drone's vertical velocity. Complete circuit diagrams and working example code are available from the link in the description below this video. For more drone science projects and thousands of other fun, hands-on science and engineering projects, visit us online at www.sciencebuddies.org.